Aloha, everybody. I am coming to you live in Maui. My name is Sarah. Today, I'd like to do a workout with two 10-pound weights. If you have heavier and you'd like to go heavier, if you only have lighter, please do what feels comfortable in your body. Do a short warm up, and then we will grab our weights and get into it. Okay, we're going to start with these. I call them aura cleansers, where we just twisting side to side and letting our arms flap and hit our back and front. And then we're moving right into leg swings each side. See if you can do 10. Let that leg swing. These are great for balance, coordination, getting that nervous system engaged as well as the body warmed up. We will be doing a lot of upper body, so let's warm up with back strokes and then forward strokes, warming up shoulders. And then let's get full body warmed up with these nice sumo squats, reaching all the way down and reaching all the way up. Make sure you are engaging your breath, of course. Right into shoulder twists. These are really great to open up the chest and opening up the adductor there and the hip, pushing out with the knee. Right into these hip circles. Great for coordination, balance. Okay, here we go. First set, 10 to 15 reps. Keep the weights close to your sides. Sit back, but keep your chest up nice and high. Make sure you are exhaling on the way up. Shoulder presses. Alternate which leg is in front. I did do 10 on one side and 10 on the other side. You can see there's a little twist and push. Rows here, standing, slightly bent over, double time up and down. Right into a row with a squat. So we already practiced our sumo squats, so these should be ready to go. And then I put about a 10 rep vinyasa flow in. This is going to help you work with your mobility and get your heart rate raised up a little bit. Down dog to plank, lower all the way down, cobra, push to plank, exhale down dog. Repeat using your breath. You got this. Jumping forward, inhaling up to the sky. Okay, now we're back into our rows, this time bent over in a lunge, so back heel is off. Again, see if you can do about 10, 15, and then I switched my leg that was in front. Just a reminder that these videos are always sped up, so slow down. Right into presses again. This time kneeling, so the abs need to be on, tailbone towards the floor. And as you twist towards that side, press up and do a little twist with the wrist as well. You'll really feel this in your shoulders. Right into exhausting these shoulders with front raises. I think I did about 10 of these. These were difficult at this point. Shoulders are getting a little bit tired. Do as best you can. Arnold presses, one of my favorites. Bicep curl and then twist up and twist down. Keep it controlled. Moving into our triceps. We're going to do tricep kickbacks. Making sure to keep that elbow as still as possible and nice and high. Keep your neck relaxed here. Don't tense up the shoulder. Okay, these are my favorite way to do push-ups now. First, start with this little rock forward, rock back. These are like bear push-ups. And then we're going to lower down to the ground, push up, and then back into that little bear pose. I really like how this adds another element to the push-up. Take a moment and stretch out in a little child's pose. Those arms should be tired. Okay, stay with me. Single arm press in your modified side plank here. See how the elbow is going behind. Then right into slow rotations. This one will work with that rear delt as well as lat and all the stabilizers, of course. Then see if you can hold the plank 10, 20 seconds. Breathe. Here we go. That elbow is coming behind my body and then pressing straight up. holding that core nice and strong. Then slowly bring that in front and underneath and rotate back up to the sky. Keep that elbow soft. No need to keep it locked out. These ones are pretty difficult. Take your time. Holding the plank. You got this. Hold for 10, 20 seconds. And then let's move right into one of my favorite V-sit twists. As long as you move slow and in control, your back will be safe. Move right into V-sit, hold and press. Finish strong. And then go watch one of my yoga videos to get a nice cool down and stretch. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.